In the heart of the deep blue sea, there existed a magical underwater kingdom where sea animals of all shapes and sizes lived together in joyous harmony. The vibrant coral reefs were adorned with hues of pink, orange, and blue, and the water sparkled like 1,000 diamonds in the sunlight. In this enchanted realm, there was a wise old turtle named Tidal, who watched over the sea creatures with a caring eye. Tidal, with a shell that glistened with the wisdom of the ages, taught the younger sea animals about the importance of keeping their home clean and protecting the ocean. All was well until one day when a group of humans sailed above the kingdom in a great ship. At first, the sea animals were curious, thinking that perhaps these visitors would bring good tidings. Little did they know, the humans were not aware of the delicate balance of the underwater world. As the ship passed by, careless humans tossed their plastic bottles, wrappers, and unwanted items into the once pristine waters. The sea animals looked on in shock as their home transformed into a garbage-filled nightmare. The joyful laughter that once echoed through the coral reefs turned into a somber silence. Among the sea animals affected was a young dolphin named Splash. Splash loved to play and leap through the waves, but now the waves were choked with plastic, and the once clear water had turned murky. Splash felt a deep sadness in his heart, and his playful spirit was dampened by the weight of the pollution. Tidal, the wise turtle, gathered the sea creatures and explained, "Just as we care for our homes, humans must understand that their actions affect our home too. We must help them realize the harm they've caused and inspire them to change their ways." As the sea animals swam together, they devised a plan to show the humans the consequences of their actions. They gathered the floating trash and made a huge sculpture shaped like a human face, a symbol showing how human actions are harming the ocean and animals that live there. It reminded everyone that what we do can be really bad for the sea and its creatures. The sea animals carefully placed the sculpture where the humans couldn't ignore it. When the humans saw the heartbreaking masterpiece, a kind-hearted girl named Bella felt a pang of guilt in her chest. She had not realized the impact of her actions until that moment. Touched by the sea animals' sorrow, Bella and her friends decided to clean up that mess. They worked tirelessly to remove the garbage from the ocean, and slowly but surely, the underwater kingdom began to regain its former glory. Splash, the young dolphin, leaped through the now clear waves, and the sea animals joined in a celebration. Bella promised to spread the word about the importance of keeping the ocean clean. And so, the underwater kingdom returned to its joyful state, and the sea animals lived happily ever after, thanks to the newfound understanding between humans and the magical creatures of the deep. The lesson echoed through the waves. Just as we care for our homes, we must care for the homes of others. For in protecting their habitats, we protect life itself. Dear kids, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for joining today.